Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews. We want to hold companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. Today, we will show you how to replace your AirTag battery. It is a straightforward process and helps keep your items safe. We noticed that our batteries last around a year or so. We got a big pack off of Amazon. Bigger brand batteries may last longer. We also wanted to show off this nice leather case. To change the battery, you twist the back silver part to the left or counterclockwise. You take the battery out, put in a fresh new one, and twist the backing to the right or clockwise. You have to put a little pressure, but it should close fairly easily. If it isn't closing, you may need to adjust the battery or realign the backing. You can see the little grooves that need to be aligned to close. This is the Apple leather AirTag case. We will link this product below. At first, we thought you had to shove the AirTag in it, silly us. You unsnap the bottom and you can put the AirTag right in and connect this to anything. Here we are showing you how you get an AirTag into this dog collar AirTag case. Very easy. Do you use any AirTags for your everyday items? Have you lost an AirTag yet? Let us know in the comments below. We will see you in our next video.